I feel so lonely. I wish I had someone like me to hang out with. Whoa, where'd you come from?
I come from the land of polygons. More specifically, the circle of triangles. I heard your plea and thought I must help.
It's just that there's no one like me.
Oh, but there is. All triangles in this land have at least one congruent triangle.
Congruent? What does that mean?
It means the same. Like a twin.
But I'm not sure if I have enough information about myself to find a twin. I mean, I don't even know my angle measures.
You don't always need to know your angle measures to find out if another triangle is congruent to you.
Oh boy.
Well, let's be on our way. The sooner we start, the sooner we find your twin. There's a triangle. Let's see if she's congruent to you.
Oh, hello. Can I help you?
Well, maybe. My friend here is looking for a triangle that is congruent to him.
Congruent?
It means the same. Like a twin.
Well, how do you know if we're twins?
Well, he knows all the lengths of his sides. So, if you were to know yours, then we would know if you were congruent if both of you have all the same lengths.
I only know 2 of my sides, but I know one of the angles.
I'm afraid if you don't know all of your sides, then we can't be sure if the 2 of you are congruent or not.
Well, that's okay, but I do wish I had a twin of my own.
She says that everyone has at least one congruent triangle. Do you want to join us and try to find your twin?
Can I? That'd be great!
Of course you can join. But let's just be on our way. We have 2 triangles to find now.
Look, another triangle! I wonder if he's congruent to one of us.
Well met, how are you today?
Good. We are on a journey to find congruent triangles. Do you think that maybe you could help us?
Oh, I know what those are. A congruent triangle is when 2 triangles have the same angle measure, but not necessarily the same side lengths, right?
Close. What you described is a similar triangle. With a congruent triangle, the angle measures and the side lengths have to be the same.
That sounds nice. I wish I had somebody like me to hang out with.
That's what we're looking for.
Well, to see if any of you are congruent, you have to know all of your sides, or 2 of your sides, and the angle in between.
I know 2 of my angles, and the side in between. And because I know 2 of my angles, I know my 3rd angle.
With that information, we can find a triangle that is congruent to you, but we cannot say whether you are congruent to either of them.
Can you help me find a triangle that is congruent to me?
Yes, I can. And I just got an idea, and I don't know why I didn't think of this before.
Think of what?
This is a place where lonely triangles go to find a congruent triangle.
Thank you for bringing us here, Fairy Godmother. I found a congruent triangle. We have 2 angles and the same side measurements. Thank you again.
Oh, thank you, Fairy Godmother. I found a triangle that is congruent to me. We have all the same side lengths.
Fairy Godmother, I found a congruent triangle. We have the same side lengths and the angle in between that's the same. Thank you so much.
You are all very welcome. And now I must be on my way. Goodbye and enjoy. But before I leave, what does each of you have in common with your partner?
We're all congruent.